Convert your knives. Ideal for converting traditional 20-degree factory edges of household knives into high-performance Trizor 15 15-degree edges. Diamonds. Advanced stropping stage and 100% diamond abrasives for sharpening straight edge and serrated blades. Noise is between 65 decibels and 75 decibels. Easy to use. Advanced, patented flexible spring guides for automatic adjustment and accurate control of the sharpening angle and feature simple on-off switch. 3 stages. 3-stage EdgeSelect sharpening system for optimum versatility in providing the perfect edge for each cutting task. Stages 1 and 2 are plated with 100% diamond abrasives to sharpen and hone the edge, and Stage 3 uses a patented flexible abrasive system to polish and help prolong the life of serrated knives. Razor sharp. The Trizor 15 combines the strength and durability of the Trizor edge with the flawless, ultra-sharp 15-degree 15 technology. Time required to sharpen is approximately 1 minute for first-time sharpening, and resharpening is approximately 10 seconds. Electric sharpener. Easily apply the astonishingly sharp Trizor 15 edge for ultimate sharpness and effortless cutting. 3-year limited warranty. Weight. 4.42 pounds. Measures approximately 10 L by 4.25 W by 4.25 H inches. Top reviews from the United States. Say goodbye to sending out knives for sharpening. When the man at the farmer's market charged me $15 to sharpen 2 knives, and when I discovered his sharpening wouldn't even cut through a tomato skin, I decided to find a solution on my own. This model was recommended by America's Test Kitchen and it works beautifully. I sharpened all my knives the first day I got this, and wow, it worked so well. I know a lot of people want to use a stone and frown on electric sharpeners, but I don't have the patience for a stone. This works great and doesn't remove much from the knives at all. The sharpening I did when I first got it has lasted for a long time and will only need minor touch-up to stay that way. This is an excellent device. I own both Henkel's and Victorinox knives.